found this at a local thrift store, and at first glance I was kind of hesitant, but then I saw this, a 1/6 scale compass. Now these are kind of hard to find, so I was definitely going to get this figure. It's an incredibly small working compass, which is rare because I have a hard time finding them. I had this package displayed here with the cellophane over it, and it wasn't ripped at the time, but I could see the compass. And then the flight jacket was also pretty cool. And the boots, not too bad. It came in this weird box, girlexplorer.com, made by CMD. I've never heard of this. Out of the package, it's kind of interesting and weird at the same time. The figure itself, or the doll itself, is weird. It's got like this fabric body and hardly any articulation. It's very strange. I don't understand what they were thinking. I pulled the head off to see if I could use it or put it on another body, and maybe. I'm not sure though. I'd have to find the right body. The boots are pretty cool. They're like a fake leather. They have laces and a bottom sole. I got an idea for them. Corduroy pants with a real belt. Not too bad. Real working pockets too. She had this scarf thing and a t-shirt, but the thing that caught my eye was that compass. And it actually has a chain that hooks it to this pocket. And this compass is just incredible. It was hard to focus on, but you can see it's a real working bubble compass. Although it's not pointing exactly north, probably because I'm sitting on a metal surface with it. I find these compasses very hard to find, and the fact that it's gold and it has a chain on it is pretty cool. And it attaches to this pocket by some thread. There's a close-up of that compass. Pretty amazing if you ask me. I like it. It was a great find. The white t-shirt, pretty nice. Has these little buttons on the front of it, and they snap together with little buttons or little snaps. Very nice white t-shirt. This bomber jacket's pretty cool, or flight jacket. It's kind of stiff though, but it fits pretty nicely. And then of course this hat thing. Also what was included was this activity pack thing. Kind of weird. Hardbound book about Amelia Earhart. Some other thing kind of describing the doll and the company. And this compass. One real life scale working compass. This will probably go in my car. I like compasses like this. That's pretty cool. And it actually points north. So that's north. Right there. I put this shirt on Samantha and it looks really nice. Samantha's on a TB League body. I put the compass around her neck. It might be a little too large. I might find some other place to put it. I didn't want to lose it. My daughter says it gives her adventure vibes with the shirt on her. I think it looks really nice. Could scoot this sleeves up some. I had to take her hands off to get her hands into the sleeves. But this is a really neat t-shirt. I really like it. This was a great find. And finds like these are pretty rare. You just have to keep your eyes open and see what you can find to add to your collection, even if you have to part them out a little bit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.